An enterprise resource planning system, or ERP, is a powerful tool that streamlines business processes. It powers seamless data flow, synchronization, and automation across different business functions. Let's review a practical example of how integrating Shopify with an ERP system can enhance the efficiency of a particular task. John's Bait and Tackle is looking to automate the order to fulfillment process and manage inventory more efficiently across their entire system. This automation will help to get orders fulfilled faster, increase same-day fulfillment of website orders, and improve inventory tracking accuracy. Let's take a closer look at this flow using Shopify Storefront API and Admin API. To start, a customer places an order on the merchant's checkout page. This page information goes to Shopify's admin, but it needs to reach the ERP system for further processing. In the middle of this interaction is a connector app. This app acts as a bridge between the ERP system and Shopify, facilitating the flow of data between the two. Using webhooks, the order details are sent to the connector app, which then forwards them to the ERP system's order management interface. The ERP system listens for order create webhooks, ensuring that Shopify order data is seamlessly consumed. This integration also allows product information from the ERP system to be pushed into the Shopify admin, enabling display on the Shopify storefront. Simply put, the ERP listens for new orders. It then sends a query to the Shopify API to request additional data for each new order event it consumes via the webhook. Once the orders are in the ERP, they can be managed and fulfilled. As this happens, inventory levels in the ERP system are adjusted and fed back into Shopify, which keeps product availability on the storefront accurate. Additionally, the ERP can provide transactional data included on the Shopify orders through the accounting system for streamlined financial management. Now, if John's Bait and Tackle did not have their ERP integrated, they would need to update inventory counts manually in both their ERP system and Shopify admin. They would also then need to enter and process web orders manually in their ERP. As John's Bait and Tackle sales volumes rises and inventory grows, the inefficient and labor-intensive operational process becomes challenging to scale. By integrating their ERP systems, John's Bait and Tackle creates a single source of truth, enabling quick and easy sharing of information across departments.